for the Canopy Tales. என்னாச்சு போச்சா கட் பண்ணுங்க Tarji vlog and varo. This is Shrikant Tarji, and this Saturday, that is 20th November. Is it Saturday or is it Sunday? It's Sunday, I think. Sunday dana adu? To 20 தேதி Sunday dana varudhu. Sure. Cut pannunga. Hello there, this is Shrikant Tarji, and this Sunday, that is 20th November 2022 at 9:30 a.m. we're going to meet here in this farm. This is a nice serene location in Tiruvallur district. This place is called as Goonipalayam, and we're going to meet here today or not today, maybe on that day, and discuss about probiotics, bioenzymes, and how do we go ahead and do business with bioenzymes. So I'm just hoping to meet as many people as possible on that day. That is Sunday on 20th November 2022. Do register. The link will be followed with this video. Alright, so this is Shrikant Tarji signing off. Love you all.